Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're playing some 99 Nights in the Forest, trying to beat the whole game. Wait, pumpkins randomly spawn now? Mason, I collect pumpkins. I'm collecting pumpkins. Pumpkins are a good food source, so let's get as much of these as possible. Okay, our goal is just to get to 99, or if we have a good enough base, we might survive try and get the 200 badge, because Mason has never been the day 27, and I've been so close to getting to day 200. And we're playing the Halloween update. There's now trick-or-treating at night, Mason. Hey, Mason, look, I'm going to stun this wolf.
I didn't eat the whole pumpkin.
Hey, wolf.
I didn't even make pumpkin pie.
The chef class was in the shop, but don't have enough gems.
I'm going to look for the kid.
Wait, now it's a morsel and a steak? This is going to be a lot easier. Mason, kill
a bunch of pumpkins.
Mason, kill a bunch of wolves.
I'm gonna
One.
Go get
Mason, go kill me some wolves.
Okay.
Oh my, why are bunnies so hard to kill?
I'm just.
Where is it? Come back here.
I'm just trying to look for the dino kid.
Mason, we don't have.
He's approaching.
The deer doesn't attack on night one.
What?
The deer doesn't attack on the first night.
I'm just saying. The animals get too rough at night. Like Plants of Friends.
Yes, that's the last morsel I need. Mason, don't eat the raw stuff. Just eat the pumpkins, because those get you up to full.
I'm turning off.
Did you just eat 3 of them?
No, I just ate 1.
Oh, well, it looks like you ate 3.
Deer.
Yeah, it does. Oh my gosh.
Oh,
that is so funny. Mason, we gotta work on killing wolves, because I want to tame a wolf.
I have a piece of wood. I had a piece of wood. I didn't know about. Okay, how about on the next day you look for Dino Kid, since you have the chef class.
I don't have the chef class.
You said.
No, I said it was in the shop, but I don't have enough gems. Yeah, guys, we're just gonna look through the map, see what's new. There is trick-or-treating, but I don't know how that works. So, I'm gonna chop down a tree, put the wood in, and try and find where the fairy is, because that's what the cutscene said.
I'm gonna get some wood. I don't see where's the deer?
Oh, it ran away. Hey, Mason. Mason, the trick is you tame them
I'm gonna get a bunny's foot.
Now I kill you. Oh my god.
I got a bunny foot.
Can I use it?
Do it.
Oh my god.
I got a good axe. What?
He looks different. So different.
Wait, let's go get the missing kid.
Wait, no, there's a new building. What is this? Knock. Yeah, it's trick or treating. You need to light this house with candles.
Oh, I found.
What, did you find a candle?
No, I found where the dino kid is.
Okay, well, wait for me. Because none of us have a revolver.
I have a good axe.
Mason, that's not good enough.
Yes, it is.
No, we got the snow biome spawn.
I'm ultimate killing these.
Mason, kill a wolf for me because I just need one more steak to tame one. And I'm gonna name him Alberto.
I killed the wolves and I got Dino Kid.
How?
With a good axe. We know how.
Okay, well,
You
Mason.
wanna know how I got him?
Well, I'm coming over to where Dino
I got the wolf stuck and I just hit them with the axe.
Okay. How didn't you die? I'm coming over. Like, guys, comment down below ideas how Mason did that because that made no sense.
I'm gonna bring all his food back.
You also have a good sack. Let me see what I get.
Aren't you proud of me for getting that kid?
Okay, so guys, this is gonna be pretty fun. Good sack, that's pretty good.
I'm gonna have some carrots.
Night's approaching. Why is fire so... Mason, how do you, like, teleport there? Because I didn't...
ran.
I'm sprinting. I need to eat a pumpkin.
I just ate a whole pumpkin. I'm not gonna run anymore. Do you see my character? I'm basically 6.
Mason, don't put these food in the fire.
Okay.
It's for taming wolves. Because 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Then.
Hey guys, make sure to subscribe. Right?
Hey Mason, you just gotta kill 2 more bunnies to be able to tame a wolf. Because I already have my items. Oh my gosh, that is so adorable. Look at Dino Kid.
But aren't you proud of me for getting Dino Kid?
Yeah.
You're the one usually getting the kid.
Yeah, because usually I would have the cyber class, but since we're building a good base, I had to pick lumberjack. Since you could get more wood and saplings, which would be so
cut down the fire.
useful.
Do you have any wood? Right? Oh, the deer. Could the deer get you?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna go tame this wolf.
How about you? Could you also get squid kid? No, kraken kid.
We're not strong enough. Okay, so Yes. So let's give you this and yeah. Oh my gosh, Mason, meet Blaze. Mason, come meet Blaze.
He doesn't hurt us.
He's my pet wolf. Go Blaze.
So if he's friendly, isn't all of them friendly?
Nah, you have to tame them. Mason, attack.
Could you tell him that your new friend to gather some wood?
Okay, so guys, this is pretty fun. We will talk a little, but we won't talk till we could do the trick-or-treating thing. Oh my gosh, the attack looks so cool. We barely played the taming update, so it seems like, and so we should know what this is, but we've never, oh my gosh, I just got a wolf pelt before. No, wait. Yes, you're at full health now. Okay, so
I got a good axe.
I got a wolf pelt.
Oh, never mind.
Mason, if you can give me a bunny sweat, that would be good.
Oh, there's a wolf in here. The wolf.
I'm coming. Blaze, get the doggy.
Oh, no.
And night is approaching.
I need to run.
I'm glad I'm right
I
next.
have 4 things in my sack.
Pumpkin eating. Are you okay? I just need to eat a morsel and it'll be good. Okay, I'm healing. Please, is your health 4? Sit. Listen, look at this. Guys, look out. Wait.
Oh, yeah, it's cute. That looks like our dog.
Okay, look.
Actually, oh, that's definitely cute.
Okay, so guys, we're gonna play
Why does
this.
the cultists come? Will we attack them?
Wait, the cultist night?
No, if a cultist comes, will he attack?
Sit up. Sit
Make him
up. What?
Make him butt scoot.
The sky is on fire.
Why is the sky on fire?
Mason, it was like 3 updates ago. How don't you remember about this update? Oh yeah, I forgot you didn't play the update. I'm always gonna bring.
Aww.
Oh yeah, Mason, I found coal on my way here.
Also, I found trap in the house.
Good. Guys, we will try and get the obsidian chest since.
Is this big?
Mason, help me find where they crashed. There's one over here. No, there's a wolf. No worries. Ooh. Blaze, come get him. I said Blaze. Blaze.
I think it says a UFO.
It did not say UFO. I'm such low on health.
You died?
Yep, I died.
What does that mean?
That Wait, Blaze is just sitting there. Listen, go tame a wolf. Because I think that's what you need to do. Could you come pick me up with your sack and put me into one of the graves that are in the ground? Listen. Mason, put me in your sack. Wait, use your axe to get this civilian and also pick me up. Yeah, use your axe and mine the civilian. No, not that. Don't pick that up. Yeah, grab that. Yeah, grab that crystal. Drop it from a high place, Mason. And Mason, you missed one. Mason.
I'm gonna do it.
And now you have to put it in lava, then water.
I don't know where you can try lava.
To the left. No, straight. No, where the meteors are. Go to the bigger one. Mason, to the left. To the right. Right there. Lava. Mason, you just passed it. It's... Guys, we will see you in another video. Bye.